Kenya is as resilient as this state. You have correctly said that this also looks like a state of hustlers. And so are we. And so we are in Kenya, we are facing an election, and the matters in the election, from our opinion, are about 3 issues. In fact, the biggest issue that is on the ballot is the democracy of our nation and whether we truly have the opportunity to make free choices devoid of blackmail, threats, and intimidation. That's a matter that is on the ballot, and that's, in fact, if you understand a bit of Kiswahili, that's what informs the current push by many Kenyans to say Sipangwingwi, meaning we want to make our choices without being choreographed or chaperoned or blackmailed or intimidated.